Delicious, happy Saturday, everyone. Hope you guys doing great. That is a new subdivision in the Tubegi. Oh, that is Santa Barbara la Thepo Tulku da ni Mizakashi ji organize. Yarum ji kunda guji ki thalo ta tunga sungji gachambo ji tu sini sungji shugudu Santa Barbara la. Mina mamu shuguji dindi shusha ni ngarai dus korangi Thepo Tulku ni sheji taro chis. Any dinde ngalia dinde love surwa and nga tri pagi Santa Barbara chagi any gonda chuzen yiwa ne share badu the program ratio and shage dus chin chambi shwe nga da massive gi ya shimba dinde she tang de da any for California gi ya dik she tang de kashi pe sare and three samlo le ani Somebody touched the leader, Nipagilia, program Yapo Chuagi, Ravashubi, Shui, all so, Jay Kalikali. Happy Saturday, everyone. Episcopal Church, Santa Barbara, Thepo Tulku, Tareti, Kasa, Gormchi, Kunga, Kuchuguji, Tunga, the Tadi, Masi Taji, Shusha, any Santa Barbara television of Dangote and also, any awareness, and the Sita, and the Gormchi, Zanam. Lugi Mongo used to debate Lasha, that is somewhat children so This is all done by the Tibetan community, Los Angeles. They have had a lot of, the placards, posters for His Holiness, the lifetime travel, meeting dignitaries, president, vice president, you name it, right? See, everywhere. You can see here George Bush with His Holiness in 2001. Yeah, he met, George W. Bush, the younger Bush. So it's all His Holiness lifetime history all over. You can see the posters. All so. And now, Zewo, the children, you want to show about the ratio. The children about to over do yesterday.
Last.
Thank you.
Santa Barbara and Goleta for your support. I came to know from Thepo Tulku, who is a very good friend of all of you who are here. I understand that His Holiness has visited Santa Barbara several times in the past and have built a very strong connection with the city, with the council, and the people of Santa Barbara. And I also understand that the middle school of Santa Barbara and the university are doing a wonderful job in carrying out the vision of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, creating a more peaceful society, more compassionate society. And I also want to thank all the religious leaders who have come here to commemorate His Holiness' 91st birthday, or also the completion of the 90th year of compassion, the year of compassion for His Holiness' 90th birthday. So thank you also very much, and continue to spread the message of peace, love, compassion. As His Holiness says, I am just one among the 8 billion people in this world, and as one human being, His Holiness' responsibility is to promote human values, to promote interreligious harmony, which you have been also doing in this region. So I thank all the faith leaders for this congregation in creating a more harmonious society.
But anyhow, thank you for so much for coming here, everybody here, enjoying and respecting then after thankful, especially I have to thank for the
Queen darling, mình chim về. 1, 2, 3. Happy to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, His Holiness. Happy birthday to you. Tibetan. Keki tunga la tashi dele. 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 Woo! Yeah. Wonderful. Oh, that is Sheila. That was huge. Sheila Tansu. That is Santa Barbara. Yorm Chiki, Kolo Buji, Temde. That was she dances. Sabata. Una Sutu. Oh, there. Oh, la so. Shimo. Momo is there. This is some dal. Palat. No, I think butter paneer. Oh, the lamb. Lamb raw. Oh, beef. Oh, cool. Oh, so. Yeah. That is Sheila. The Tumo. The Majella. The San Francisco. Majella San Francisco. Where? Which is invite now. This is the one she had dance. Kale shoot to the girl, she did a Raputi Shara, but I'm not getting a cable gardish. She cooked the Shara, yet on fish. Temple, she did chewing bush. Ah, so may or may not become. Hola, so that is something.